Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Shopify Admin API using access tokens step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Shopify Admin API using access tokens, start by creating a Shopify partner account. Once you have your account, log in and create a new Shopify app. Specify your app name and the development store where the app will be installed. After creating your app, navigate to the app settings page. Here, you will find the API credentials, including your API key and API secret key. Next, set the app permissions based on the data you want to access. Make sure to enable the necessary scopes for the API calls you plan to make. Once you've configured the permissions, save your changes. Now, you need to generate an installation URL. This URL will redirect users to authorize your app and install it on their store. Use the following format for the URL: https://storename.myshopify.com/admin/auth/ replace storename, API_key, and scopes with the appropriate values. After a user clicks the installation link and approves the app, Shopify will redirect them to your specified redirect URI. This redirect will include a temporary code in the URL parameters. Capture this code from the request parameters on your redirect URI page. Now, exchange this temporary code for a permanent access token. Make a post request to the following URL: https://storename.myshopify.com/admin/auth. In the body of this request, include your API key, API secret key, and the temporary code you received. Once you send the request, Shopify will respond with an access token. Store this access token securely, as it will be used for subsequent API calls. You can now use this access token in the authorization header of your API requests. Make requests to the Shopify Admin API by including authorization bearer access_token in the headers. This will grant you access to the necessary resources in the Shopify store. Remember to handle token expiration and refresh appropriately based on your app's requirements. Following these steps will ensure you successfully authenticate with the Shopify Admin API using access tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.